Some people say cracking your knuckles can make your fingers look enlarged or actually a lot more swollen. See this in x-ray and nothing's happening. The popping is actually gas bubbles forming inside the joints and releasing once you put pressure into the joint. It doesn't enlarge the bones or the soft tissue around the bones.
See, my knuckles aren't big, and I've been doing this for years.
Now, you've heard this myth before, share this with another knuckle cracker out there and come get adjusted.